Hi, welcome to making a component. Sometimes you need more than one of something. In this case, I need a lot of windows. So I'm going to use my selection tool. I will surround the window that I've drawn. I will right click and I'll make a group out of that. Then I'll right click again and make a component. From this point I will type in what I want it to be called. In this case it will be window. So I'll put in window. In this case I'll put in window 2. I put down glue to any surface. And I'll show you how that works. And since it's a window, I'm asking it to cut an opening when I create it. So I'll hit the word create. And at this point you don't see anything that's happened. But actually, when I go to my default tray, and I'll pin that so you can see it, you can see that now I have window 2 as one of my components. So I'll take the component and I will just drag it in. What do you know? I have another window. Perhaps I need a third window. I can also drag that in. Now I'm going to orbit. Let's see, I'll just use the orbiting tool to demonstrate. I'll orbit, and now I want to put another window over here on this side. So as I come over here, you notice that it turns and it moves to that other surface. That's because I told it to glue to any surface. Hopefully that's helpful to you.